Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube video channel. I'm going to go ahead and continue another series of orthodontics for general dentistry and for general dentists. Show you how to take care of this case. This is called the topic would be how to manage the peg-lateral incisor and the upper space between on the upper teeth. And so we're going to jump right in for this particular case. This is patient in his 20 with coming to my office with space between 8 and 9 and the peg-lateral on number 7 and number 10. There's many ways to go around to fix this problem. If you are a general dentist and no experience with orthodontists, sometimes you end up starting with right away cosmetic dentistry. I've seen beautiful work done before. I'm not against anything like that. However, if you have some clinical skill with the braces, orthodontist training, you can help the patient because if you can see that by just his smiling, he has a deep bite problem. So I'm going to show you how his case look. Okay, peg-lateral. You see the deep bite. If this is where he didn't even bite all the way down, but space and all of that. I'm going to show you another lateral view, side view, I mean. So that this is where we have here. We have a very small lateral tip there. There's space there. Lower tip, minor crowded. Overall, this case, if you have some orthodontist training, you shouldn't have any problem doing this. So a couple of things to do is I always say that, how do you envision this case going to look like? The idea is to bring that lateral in the proper side. Either you will immediately recommend the veneer and then start closing the gap, or you can just do composite veneer and then closing the gap, and then eventually in the future need a permanent veneer. Patient didn't have much money. He wants something economic. So what I did for him was, well, by the way, I just want to show you the model. You see how severely the deep bite is. The picture there, that his smile didn't show much, but right now, look at how big the space is. This is unbelievable big space. So we did braces. We start braces, moving teeth together. And then I promised him that I'm going to give him a temporary lateral veneer on both sides, no charge. I did it. The patient didn't have money, so he just wants something to get started. So I did 2 lateral veneer on both sides for him. And you can see that I created a reasonable amount of the size and the space for this particular peg-lateral. So I gave them something. So I start moving the teeth and close the gap. As months go by, you can see the improvement right away. So here we go, beginning, starting, end up with composite veneer and then closing the gap. Greatly improvement, and the deep bite is solved. So from here to here, big difference. Every time he come, we take some photo. So immediately deband, look at that. Patient have some hygiene problem, but the gap is closed. Deep bite is solved. Excuse me. So as you can see, there is a great improvement here from here to here. Patient was very happy. He didn't want to pay for the permanent veneer yet because he feel like this look good enough. So he's happy. Happy camper and enjoy his smile. He ever since he haven't been back, but I'm sure that this gum gonna heal up beautifully. So from here to here, big difference. Again, I want to emphasize on the opportunity if you're able to do combination of cosmetics and braces, give patient better function, better better function for sure, better smile cosmetically is better, and help the patient from continued destruction of the deep bite. Any question, feel free to ask me. I would like to have you comment below, and I hope to see you next video. Any question, please feel free to answer to ask me. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. And again, you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.